Good morning.
Morning.
Happy day 26.
It's our morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Ginger shot. Cheers. And fat reduction powder, and it targets your belly. So it's like really good, like if you're struggling with the kangaroo pouch that you can get rid of. MELISA is really good for that. While I have breakfast this morning, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my kitchen. So
You remember AJ Pitch?
alright, so I just made my food, so I'm going to have a tea with my food. I have to get back to what I was doing. Actually, my first snack of the day. Okay, so real quick, taking my goalie, energy and multi. Y'all probably tired of seeing you every day, but I tell you I'm gonna show you everything that I would eat every day. So I'm eating these. I got done eating my Caprese Salad, so it's like dessert. Oh, that's it. Oh, I'm drinking my tea. I came back. Alright, so I had to come back to the store because there was stuff missing in our house that we absolutely needed. And my kids talked me into coming back here. So, this is my snack again. I have a problem. I'm making my husband a tea. It's 9:30 at night. I'm gonna add some prepared. I'm having banana tonight for dinner. It's been a while. Banana caramel. And we're watching that show Beef that everyone said on the internet that we should watch. It's kind of weird. What episode is this? 2? Is this? Yeah. We're on episode 2. Cadence and Kimora just left us. Oh look, that's them texting me now. Mommy, I already want to come back home. My kids just left with their dad, the older two, and they love me. My babies. I'm gonna make this shake and I'll be back with my MELISA shot. Alright, so I like chunky monkey type stuff. Usually if I blend it, I'll put like some granola and chocolate protein. But since I'm just having a shaken banana shake, I'm just gonna add some sugar-free chocolate syrup. Yummy. And it all mixes. It's delicious. So this is dinner. I'm going to have my MELISA shot now. Okay, beautiful people. That's MELISA. I know I said I wasn't gonna do it twice a day, but I feel like since I'm not going to the gym right now, I need to do it twice a day. Hopefully I'll be back on Monday, but I'm not gonna make any promises. My fibro is really bad this week. Like, look how swollen my hands are and my finger turning. But it's okay. We're gonna get through it. So, MELISA. Now I'm going to have goalie for today. This is the super greens. I have one before I go to bed. Take my treatment. And then I'm gonna chill out with Brooklyn and my husband, watch the show. And that's it for today. See y'all in the next video.